So in China, you have terrific people who are in business, and then you have some people who are not so terrific and who are, low quality. Now, fortunately, in manufacturing fabric, it's not labor intensive. So you don't have the labor abuses that you have in, let's say,
garment production.
Garment. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the big one,
Totally.
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. On the other hand, you do have pollution as being an issue. So if a factory has what's called an Okiotech Standard 100 certification, then you know that they've been checked out for whatever toxicity is associated with their product. And so that's a way to source ethically if a lot of your supply comes from either Korea, Taiwan, or Japan, which have pollution laws and have labor laws, or in China, where you're with a trusted vendor or you're with a company that where it's coming out of a mill that has Okiotech Standard 100 certification, or a dye house that has that.
Okay.
That's now. I mean, they used to be once in a blue moon.
Rare, you would find that. Yeah.
Rare, very rare. Now it's all the time.
Okay. And so you would just, as the freelancer who's, sourcing for their client, you would look for that in the suppliers that you're buying from.
Yes. Okay. Yes. And some suppliers have very good and very informative websites, and I link people to those all the time.
Sure.
And say, well, read this. This will kind of show you what kind of supplier this is.
Yeah.
And actually, it's almost a sign of something not so good if you're not seeing a pretty decent website.
Oh, is that the case anymore?
Somebody you want to, and I would say the key word here is transparency.
Okay.
So when a supplier is transparent, that's what you're looking for.
Okay.
Whether you're buying sustainable or conventional fabrics, you're looking for somebody that is that's transparent. There's also some things that can be bought domestically, not a lot.
Yeah.
So out of 10 lines, one of mine offers domestic fabric.
Okay.
And they do a great job.
Where are they manufacturing out of?
They have several knitters that they work with. It's only on knitted goods, not on woven.
Not wovens, yeah.
And so some in California, there's some in the Carolinas.
Yeah, the Carolinas, yeah.
Somebody in Pennsylvania who does some work for those guys too.
Okay.
And but it's much more limited. And the problems that you have today with transportation and with all the things that can make supply chain issues.
Yeah.
Those also affect domestic suppliers because they have to get the fibers, the yarns, generally from overseas.
Yeah.
So while there's some yarns created in the United States,
not much.
Most of them, not much.
Yeah.
And most of them are not created for the fashion fabric business. They're created for home
textiles. Okay, home decor. Okay, gotcha.